Hi guys, today I will be presenting about the oxy-acetylene welding. At the core, acetylene welding uses combination of oxygen and acetylene gas to create a flame not hot enough to melt metals. This method used to weld both ferrous and non-ferrous metal, but it doesn't stop there. It's also highly efficiently for cutting metal, bracing, and even soldering without melting the base metal. Whether you are repairing an exhaust system or crafting intricate metal designs, oxy-acetylene welding is up for the task. Now, one of the most important aspects of the process is understanding the type of frames. Natural frames. The natural frames, this is your go-to frames for the most welding job. It created by balancing oxygen and acetylene, ideal for the most welding tasks. And the second one, carburizing frames. Carburizing frame is higher acetylene content and is perfect for working with high carbon steel or when you need the hard face material. The third one, oxidizing frames. This frame contains more oxygen, make it suitable for welding metals like copper or brass. It also works well for cutting due to the intense heat. The advantage. The first one, the portable. Unlike other welding techniques, it doesn't require electricity. And the second one, the multi-functional. You can more than just wire. It's also useful for cutting, bracings, or soldering, or versatile tools for various tasks. The cost effective. If you deal with the smaller jobs or on a budget, this method offers a practical and the application. Application welding method. The welding method is ferrous and non-ferrous, and the metal cuttings, precise cutting with the oxidizing frames, plastics and storing dry metal without metal melting the base. Automotive repair exhaust body panels. The metal fabrication, general repair and construction. And the last one, jewelry making for fine metal works. The summary. The summary, acetylene welding offers unmatched flexibility and efficiency. Whether you are repair, repairing, constructing, or creating something new, it's powerful tools in the hand of skilled professionals, and its portability combined with the multifunctional capacities make it one of the most versatile welding techniques out there. Thank you for attention.